Hey friends, and welcome back to my channel. This video is all about fixing the issue with League of Legends. While playing the League of Legends, this play option is not available right into the game. So without wasting time, let's go ahead and directly proceed with the resolution. In the first step, I highly recommend to open up your web browser and use a VPN. And for a VPN, if you want a free VPN, you can use Proton VPN. But if you really care about your data, about your personal information, I highly recommend to use NordVPN because it will provide you a dedicated IP and a 24/7 customer support along with a high speed, and all your data will be completely encrypted onto the cloud. It's because if something is free, then it clearly says that you are the product. So I highly recommend to go with NordVPN. So after using a VPN, try to relaunch your Riot client and then hit the update or play option to fix out the issue. Although if this method failed to work out, first of all you need to close the Riot client. Even from the system try, you can also right click on Riot client and choose the option exit. Now you need to click on start menu and type in Riot client. Choose the option open file location. Again right click on it and again choose the option open file location. Here you will find Riot client services. Right click and go to its properties. Now click on compatibility tab and check mark two options. Run this program as an administrator and then run this program in compatibility mode, and from the drop down list you need to choose the option Windows 7. After doing these two changes, hit apply and OK button. Now go ahead, you need to relaunch your Riot client, and once Riot client is launched, log in using a user ID and password and then relaunch your League of Legends game, and this will completely fix out the issue of League of Legends play option is not available. So as of now, this is all about it friends. If this video works out for you, I request you to please click on subscribe button and turn on the bell notification icon to continue receiving update from my channel. Thank you so much friends. Thank you for watching.